Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're unwrapping the ultimate celebration guide, the Candyland Quinceanera, brought to you in collaboration with quincycharm.com. This theme isn't just a party, it's a vibrant, sweet transition from childhood to young womanhood. So, sit back, enjoy a candy, and let's explore how to make this colorful journey unforgettable. Choosing a Candyland theme for your quinceanera means diving into a world inspired by the iconic game and candy shops. quincycharm.com suggests that this theme allows for a plethora of personal touches, making your event as unique as it is sweet. From vibrant colors to fun decorations, every detail adds to the magic of your celebration. The journey into your fantastical celebration begins with the invitations. According to quincycharm.com, these should be vibrant, enchanting, and adorned with whimsical illustrations of candies and lollipops. This first glimpse sets the tone for an unforgettable quinceanera. Your decorations should embody the bright and fun essence of Candyland. quincycharm.com recommends using a main contrasting color, like white, to make your colorful candy decorations pop. Think candy centerpieces, multicolored balloons, and even a cotton candy machine to bring the theme to life and create an enchanting environment for your guests. The right attire is key to embodying the Candyland theme. quincycharm.com advises choosing a dress in vibrant colors with candy-inspired elements for the quinceanera. Similarly, outfitting the Quincy court in starburst-inspired hues adds a sweet, cohesive look to your celebration. A Candyland Quinceanera isn't complete without a focus on delightful eats. From a well-planned candy buffet to a colorful cupcake tower, quincycharm.com provides inspiration for making these elements as eye-catching as they are tasty. Don't forget to complement the theme with traditional foods and a customizable lemonade bar for a refreshing twist. Your Candyland Quinceanera, with a little help from quincycharm.com, will be a bright, colorful, and unforgettable celebration that perfectly commemorates this significant milestone. By strategically employing these elements, you'll create not just a sweet celebration, but sweet memories to last a lifetime. Thank you for watching. For more expert advice and tips on planning the perfect quinceanera, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Together with quincycharm.com, let's make your celebration as unique and sweet as you are.